Hi there, I'm Jules from Stone Soup, coming to you from my blue kitchen, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make roast chicken, feta and walnut bowls. I've got 4 chicken thigh fillets and they're quite large. I've just spread them out on a tray lined with baking paper just to make it a bit easier to clean up. I'm just going to give them a good drizzle with oil. I've left the fat on because it's going to at least leave some flavour there. Then just a good sprinkle of salt. And then into the hot oven, so 250C or 450F. Chicken's been in for 10 minutes and it actually is looking pretty cooked. You can see the juices have come out, the fat's cooked down. So I'm just gonna check it with a knife, because always with chicken, always better to be sure. No, it still needs a little bit longer. So what I might do is I'll cut each of these so they're all about the same size. Great, and then I'm going to sprinkle over my walnuts so that they can get roasted a little bit. You could always roast the walnuts separately if you want, if your chicken was done at this stage. So just 2 handfuls, and then back in the oven for another 5 minutes. So while the chicken and walnuts are roasting, I'm just going to make a quick dressing. This is one of my faves, it's super easy. So about 4 tablespoons of natural yogurt. I make my own, but commercial one's good, Greek style if you can. Generous pinch of salt because you really want to get some good flavour into this, and then same again of your best extra virgin olive oil, peppery one, and then I should have used a bigger bowl, but yeah, give it a quick stir, and then taste and season. You might like to add a little splash of lemon juice, but usually I find that the yogurt is tart enough and it just adds it's really lovely. Chicken's done, you can just carve it into bite-sized pieces. So I've got 2 bowls with baby spinach leaves in, so I'm just going to divide my chicken and walnuts between the bowls. And you may not, depending on, these chicken thighs were quite big, so you may not need to use all of them. You can always save them for another time, another meal. And then I'm just going to drizzle over a lovely yogurt dressing and crumble over some feta. And I'm just going to finish with some walnuts on top and we're good to go. So if you enjoyed this recipe, head on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, I'll send you a free ebook filled with simple weeknight dinner ideas just like this one.